Hello everyone. Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving deep into the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer, AF141, a versatile kitchen companion that can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, all in one sleek appliance. If you love crispy fries, perfectly roasted veggies, or even homemade dried snacks, this is the device that can elevate your cooking game while keeping it healthier. Starting with capacity, this air fryer boasts a 5-quart basket, which can comfortably fit up to 4 pounds of French fries, perfect for families or meal prepping. No more overcrowding your fryer and risking uneven cooking. The nonstick basket and crisper plate ensure your food comes out golden and crispy every time, with easy cleanup that doesn't eat into your free time. The Ninja Pro Air Fryer can reach a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you that perfect sear or crisp on all your favorite dishes. Its multifunctional cooking modes mean you're not limited to just frying. You can roast your meats, reheat leftovers to perfection, or even dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. This is truly a 4-in-1 powerhouse in your kitchen. Safety and convenience are also a focus. The air fryer is designed with a cool-touch exterior and an easy-to-use control panel, making it approachable even for beginners. Plus, the sleek gray design will seamlessly blend with modern kitchen aesthetics. From crispy appetizers to healthy snacks, this Ninja air fryer delivers consistent results every time. It's perfect for busy lifestyles, families, or anyone looking to enjoy fried food without the extra oil. If you've been searching for a reliable, versatile, and compact appliance that can do it all, the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer is a top choice. So don't wait. Grab yours today, click the Amazon link in the description, and take your cooking to the next level. And if you enjoy these reviews, hit that subscribe button for more honest gadget insights. Happy cooking!